Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C++ programming. So in the last tutorial we have learned about what is the structure, how to define a structure, how to create a variable of a structure, and also how to assign and retrieve the values from the structure variables. And in the last tutorial we were using the dot operator, which is used to access the members of a structure variable. And in this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to access the structure variable members using the pointers. So just for the demonstration purpose here, I have defined a structure called student, and we have the roll number and sex as the members of the structure student. The next thing that we need to do is we need to create a structure variable. So let me call it as Anil. So it's gonna be student, the type. This student is a user defined data type now, and we can use that to create the variable. So it's going to be student and the variable name, let me call it as Anil. And the next thing is when we want to use pointer, first we need to declare a pointer. So I'm going to declare a pointer of type student. So to do that I'm going to write student and then star, then the pointer name. So this time I'm going to call it as Anil PTR, Anil pointer. So now in our program what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this Anil PTR to point to this variable Anil. So to do that we need to write Anil PTR equal to, and we can get the address using the AND or the ampersand symbol and the variable name, which is Anil. So now this Anil PTR is going to point to this variable Anil, or it's going to contain the address which is used to store this structure variable Anil. And the next thing is if we want to access the members of the structure variable Anil, and if we are using the dot operator, then you guys need to write Anil dot roll number, and we can assign that using the assignment operator, and let's say value of 1 2 3 4. And if you are using this pointer Anil PTR, then you guys need to write ANIL PTR, which is a pointer, and then an operator called arrow operator. So a minus symbol and then this greater than symbol, they are combined to form the arrow operator, and then the member name. And this time we're gonna assign the value to this member sex. So I'm gonna select that and it's gonna be M. So don't get confused here. If you are accessing the structure member using structure variable, then you guys need to use the dot operator, and if you are accessing the structure member using a pointer to a structure variable, then you guys need to use the arrow operator. And similarly we're gonna print out the value. So I'm gonna use the cout statement. This time I'm gonna refer to this roll number using the pointer Anil PTR. So it's gonna be ANIL PTR, then the arrow operator, and then the member name. So it's gonna be roll number. And let's end this line. And again in the next line I'm going to use cout, and this time we're going to access the member sex using the structure variable Anil. So it's going to be Anil dot sex, because we are referring the structure member using the structure variable, not the pointer. And end this line. Alright, now I'm going to save this. I'm going to build and run this. Alright guys, now you guys can see 1 2 3 4 and M. So if you want to access the member of a structure variable using a pointer to that variable, then you guys need to use the arrow operator. So this is it guys, this is about accessing the structure variable member using the arrow operator or using a pointer in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.